environmental ethics. Both these terms are very important in terms of the basic values that we inculcate within ourselves and our children. Environment is something that we have to be very kind to be able to understand and to have compassion for. Whether it's small things as littering, as throwing garbage at the right place, keeping our environment clean, not plucking flowers and plants just for the fun of it. And that is what is important. That is what we have to learn, to be kind to all animals, to all life on earth, whether it's small or large, and to take care of them. We should not look forward to having very rigid rules by authorities to tell us, don't touch animals on the wildlife, don't disturb wildlife in a national park. We go to a national park and want to enjoy ourselves. We've got loud music blaring in our vehicles. Now, these are little things that we've got to learn. We've got to learn that we've come here into somebody else's habitat. We've come into somebody else's environment. Let us learn to respect it. Let us learn to look after them also and be happy. They're happy, you are happy. If you look after nature, nature is going to look after you. The environment is not something that is separate from human beings. Humans make the environment. So be careful, be kind, be compassionate, keep your environments healthy and clean. We have to learn to protect not only ourselves but also the environment, because if we don't do that, the environment is going to protect itself by affecting us. It's scientific. You pollute the waters and that's what you will get to drink tomorrow. So you have to learn to look after the environment, because otherwise the consequences are not far for us to see. Extreme weather changes, terrible haze, the kind of pollution that you are living in, the health problems that you are facing, all these are a consequence of the disrespect that we have shown to our environment. It's human greed that is affecting the environment today. Our need for more water, more electricity, more power, setting up new dams, setting up water plants, setting up electric plants everywhere. All this is leading not only to polluting the air, it's leading to land subsidence, it's leading to a lot of problems everywhere. Everything goes into the water and it comes back to us. So if not for anything else, at least for yourselves, learn to conserve, learn to respect and be kind to your environment.